Wayland's one rule, no-till mulch. I keep getting asked about mulch, and after thinking about it, it comes down to one rule. 4 inches thick or thicker, anything that was alive. Cardboard is fine. Your sheet mulches are fine. Pine needles, terrific. Wood chips, fantastic. Leaves, wonderful. Hay, grass, awesome. Straw, great. Animal bedding, wonderful. All of these things, you just pile them up across your garden. And if you mix them together, even better. But 4 inches thick or thicker keeps the weeds from growing. It keeps the ground from freezing, which keeps that life active all winter long. And if you put leaves in a bag or wood chips in a box, you can create a cold frame, which will keep your plants alive in the coldest part of the winter. Then when you want to plant, you just dig down the soil, you put your seeds or your starts in. You don't want to till this in because it'll take the nitrogen in the soil to break it down. And you disrupt all of that life. Remember, the mulch does not feed your plants. It's not a fertilizer, but it does promote the life in the soil, the bacteria and the fungus that breaks down the nutrients that are already in the rock in your soil, the sand, silt, and clay, the stuff that makes up the earth. And working in a symbiotic relationship with your plants, they have all the nutrients they're going to need. And by layering on the mulch, you're just creating that environment. Mulch also moderates the temperature of your soil. So in the summer, when it's really hot outside, it keeps that life nice and cool. In the winter, when it's really cold, it keeps that life nice and warm. And today, that's pretty important. Our weather is changing, and I'll be covering everything up tomorrow. We're gonna have cold rain, and then it's gonna snow. Could you believe snow in winter? And you can see right here our garlic that had started to grow, and then we knew that it was gonna get really cold, so I covered it with more mulch. It's popping right on through, and it survived that -3 degrees, no problem. And knowing that it's gonna get cold, we're looking at our baby giant cabbages, and next to our beets, we've got some more of the Japanese cabbages coming up. It's not gonna get so cold that the greenhouse isn't gonna be effective, so I'm not worried about these. But you know what? It is Saturday, and Saturday is dedicated to you and what's going on in your garden. Let's go on down to Florida and see what these are going to turn into. And this is why we do it. Yeah, we got a couple more days of cold weather coming up, but we also got spring right around the corner. And this is why we do it, because it tastes great. Even though Bruce is surrounded by tropical plants, his deep mulch food forest is full of the usual suspects. Everybody's got to love brassicas, lettuce, and look, we even have tomatoes growing in February. Bruce, we sure appreciate the motivation and showing us what's possible. Bruce, this is absolutely fantastic. Bruce not only shows us what's possible, he also shows us how well the deep mulch works, even in sandy soil in Florida. You can do this too. Remember, there's only one rule to Wayland's mulch. No till, 4 inches thick, anything organic. That sounds like a couple rules. You keep those in mind, you'll be successful. Till next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.